Always watching what you're doing. Pay attention to what you're doing all the time. I shouldn't have to check this one, it should be right, but let's just do it anyway. And we're good to go. We are good to go, folks. And you're probably saying to yourself, oh, I've seen blokes on YouTube spreading their wall. Well, you can spread your wall if you want. I just like spreading my tile. Because I have less mess. And as it gets hotter, like we're pretty good here, we're up in a mountain and it's quite chilly, so my glue's not drying super fast. But winter's on its way, summer is on its way, and you can spread your wall like that, and your glue can skin by the time you get there, especially if you're doing cuts and you're held up. Let's just check it for flatness. That's pretty good. Cool bananas. Now we'll mark that one and cut it. I'll come back to you, I'll make it another video. Alright, we'll see you soon.